So right now it's the time of the year where all the leaves have just about fallen, and now you need to clean your gutters. Not cleaning your gutters now can cause damage to your house over the winter. As you can see in this video, it's coming down pretty hard, and there's a lot of water coming over the top of the gutter and very little coming out of the downspout. Not taking care of your gutters can result in a lot of damage. All of the damage I'm showing you here is a result of neglected gutters. Some of this is my fault, some of it is the previous owner's fault, and some of it is the installer's fault for not installing the gutters and fascia properly. If you're paying somebody to do these repairs, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Every year you let it go will cost you even more money. I've been wanting to try some of the leaf guards for the gutters, but I'm not sure which one to use, so I bought one of each. The foam piece is 4 foot long, and the aluminum screen is 3 foot long. The foam is a little longer, but it's also a little bit more expensive. It's almost $5 a section. The aluminum screen is 3 foot long and about $2.80 a section. Then there's another one I tried. It's a roll of, it's like a plastic. I think it's 25 or 50 foot long. That I will not use. I don't find it easy to install, and it doesn't look very well, and it looks like it doesn't look like it's going to work very well. You can see it from the street, and it was the most difficult to install. Now I did like the black foam. It was really easy to install. I'm just not really sure. It seems like it could eventually plug up or break down, so I'm not really sure about this one. The easiest one to install was the white aluminum. It just snaps right into place, and it seems like it might be the best option. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do, but I do know that while I'm making my decision, I'm going to install one thing that definitely will help: downspout strainers. They're only about $2 a piece, and they will keep the downspouts from getting plugged up, so you at least have some drainage. They will fit several sizes of downspouts, and all you have to do is coil them up and slide them into the downspout. So if you're not going to do anything after cleaning your gutters, you should at least consider installing these. So until I make up my mind with the gutter guards, I've installed these on all of my downspouts. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and hit that like button. Till next time, thanks for watching.